Have you ever spent thousands of dollars on a Tesla Model 3 only to realize that the comfort and protection of your seats can make or break every drive? Here's something surprising. Many Tesla owners complain about seat wear, pet damage, spills, and long drive discomfort long before anything goes wrong with the car itself. The good news? The right seat solution can completely transform your driving experience while protecting your investment for years to come. So which option deserves a spot in your Model 3? Today, we're counting down the 5 best car seats for Tesla Model 3 that offer the perfect combination of comfort, protection, style, durability, and value. Some are designed for maximum comfort, others focus on premium protection, and a few completely transform the look of your Tesla's interior. Stick around until the end because we'll compare them all and reveal the overall winner. And remember, all the links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Aravis One Pack Seat Cushion for Tesla Model Y and Model 3. If your biggest complaint about the Tesla Model 3 is seat firmness during long drives, the Aravis seat cushion might be exactly what you need. Unlike the other products on today's list that focus on protecting or covering your seats, the Aravis is designed purely to improve comfort. Its premium 3D honeycomb silicone construction distributes pressure evenly across your hips and lower back, helping reduce fatigue during long commutes and road trips. Compared to traditional memory foam cushions, it stays cooler, maintains its shape better, and won't flatten over time. While it doesn't offer the full seat protection you'll get from options like the AutoMotives or Mikume covers, it's arguably the best choice for drivers who prioritize comfort above everything else. One of the biggest advantages of this cushion is its ability to improve posture and reduce discomfort during extended driving sessions. Tesla's factory seats are generally well designed, but some drivers still experience pressure points after spending several hours behind the wheel. The Aravis cushion creates an additional layer of ergonomic support that can make daily commuting significantly more comfortable. The breathable honeycomb structure promotes airflow underneath the driver, helping reduce heat buildup during summer months and preventing the sticky feeling often associated with standard seat cushions. Installation is effortless, maintenance is simple, and the minimalist design blends seamlessly into Tesla's clean interior. Because it is lightweight and portable, you can easily move it between vehicles or even use it in office chairs when working from home. Drivers who frequently travel long distances, ride-share operators, and commuters spending hours on the road will likely notice the biggest benefits. If you're spending hours behind the wheel every week, this cushion delivers an impressive comfort upgrade at a very affordable price. What do you think? Would you rather upgrade comfort or protect your seats? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. CarPass Napa Leather High Back Front Seat Covers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to protect your Tesla's seats while adding a touch of luxury, the CarPass Napa Leather seat covers are worth considering. These covers feature breathable faux Napa leather, attractive diamond stitching, and airbag-compatible construction for added peace of mind. Compared to the custom fit options higher on our list, CarPass sacrifices some precision for universal compatibility, but that's also its biggest advantage. Installation is dramatically easier than the AutoMotives and Mikume covers, making it perfect for owners who want quick protection without spending hours fitting seat covers. Another reason these covers remain popular is their versatility. Since they're designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, they're an excellent option for Tesla owners who may switch vehicles in the future or simply want a temporary protection solution. The diamond-stitched pattern adds a premium appearance that instantly elevates the cabin without requiring a major investment. For drivers concerned about preserving resale value, these covers create an effective barrier against everyday damage caused by clothing friction, food spills, dirt, and accidental scratches. The breathable material also helps improve comfort compared to many low-cost synthetic seat covers that can feel hot and sticky during warm weather. While the fit isn't quite as seamless as vehicle-specific alternatives, the durability, comfort, and low price make it a strong value choice. Families, rideshare drivers, and pet owners will especially appreciate how effectively these covers defend against spills, scratches, and daily wear while keeping the cabin looking fresh. For Tesla owners seeking an affordable balance of protection, comfort, and style, CarPass offers impressive value for the money. Number 3. Wexildra Dog Car Seat Cover for Tesla Model 3 pet owners. This one's for you. The Wexildra Dog Car Seat Cover is purpose-built to protect the rear seats of your Tesla from muddy paws, shedding fur, scratches, and unexpected accidents. Unlike the CarPass covers that focus on front seat protection, or the Aerovis cushion that improves driver comfort, the Wexildra is all about maximizing rear seat durability and pet safety. Its waterproof 600D Oxford fabric, reinforced seat extender platform, non-slip backing, and integrated viewing window create a secure and comfortable environment for your furry companion. What makes this product stand out is the thoughtful combination of protection and convenience. Many generic pet hammocks simply cover the seats, but Wexildra creates a larger and more stable surface that helps dogs feel safer during travel. The seat extender design prevents pets from slipping into footwells during sudden stops and gives them additional room to lie down comfortably. This is especially beneficial for larger breeds or older dogs that may struggle with balance during long drives. Compared to generic dog hammocks, the Tesla-specific fit reduces bunching and improves overall coverage. The included dog seatbelt and storage pockets add extra convenience that many competing products simply don't offer. Cleaning is also incredibly simple. Hair, dirt, mud, and spills can usually be wiped away quickly, helping owners maintain a spotless interior with minimal effort. If you regularly travel with pets, this cover provides one of the most practical and affordable ways to protect your Model 3's interior while keeping your dog comfortable during every trip. It's a must-have accessory for Tesla owners who treat their pets like family members. Quick question, do you travel more often with kids or pets? Drop your answer below. Number 2. AutoMotives Car Seat Cover for Tesla Model 3 for Tesla owners who love the premium factory white interior but didn't purchase it from the factory. The AutoMotives seat covers provide an incredibly convincing alternative. Designed specifically for the refreshed 2024 and 2025 Model 3 Highland, these custom fit covers deliver a near OM appearance that completely transforms the cabin. Compared to the universal CarPass covers, the difference in fit and finish is immediately noticeable. Every panel is tailored to match Tesla's seat contours, creating a sleek, factory-installed look with virtually no loose material. One of the biggest strengths of the AutoMotives system is how effectively it balances aesthetics with everyday practicality. The bright, premium appearance gives the cabin a more upscale atmosphere while simultaneously protecting the original upholstery underneath. This is especially valuable for owners who plan to keep their vehicle for many years or want to preserve resale value. The high-quality faux leather resists stains, scratches, and spills while maintaining compatibility with seat heating functions. Another impressive feature is the attention to detail in the stitching and panel alignment. Once installed, many passengers may not even realize the seats are covered rather than factory finished. Installation requires significantly more effort than universal alternatives, but the end result is far more impressive. Owners willing to invest a little extra time during setup are rewarded with one of the most premium-looking upgrades available for the Model 3. For drivers seeking luxury styling, superior protection, and a clean factory-inspired appearance, the AutoMotives set offers one of the best balances of style, protection, and value currently available. And now, before we reveal our number 1 pick, can you guess which product took the top spot? Keep watching to find out. Number 1. Mikume Seat Cover for Tesla Model 3. Taking the number 1 spot is the Mikume Custom Fit Leather Seat Cover Set. Designed specifically for 2017 through 2023 Tesla Model 3 models, this full coverage solution delivers exceptional protection, impressive build quality, and a bold appearance that instantly upgrades the cabin. Compared to AutoMotives, which focuses on achieving a factory white luxury look, Mikume takes a sportier approach with its striking red and black design. The custom fit construction wraps virtually every seating surface, while the durable faux leather protects against spills, scratches, of damage, and everyday wear. What truly separates Mikume from many competitors is its ability to deliver premium-level coverage without an excessive price tag. The custom-tailored fit helps eliminate shifting, bunching, and wrinkles that often plague universal seat covers. This not only improves appearance, but also enhances long-term durability because the material remains securely positioned during daily use. The non-slip backing keeps everything firmly in place, and the airbag-compatible design ensures safety remains uncompromised. The sporty styling also appeals to Tesla owners who want something more distinctive than the minimalist factory interior. Instead of simply preserving the seats, Mikume actively transforms the look of the cabin into something more aggressive and performance-inspired. While it may not have the cooling perforations found on some ultra-premium competitors. It offers outstanding overall value considering its fit, protection, durability, and visual impact. Whether you're protecting a brand new Tesla or refreshing an older Model 3 interior, Mikume delivers one of the most complete packages available. Its combination of appearance, functionality, protection, and affordability makes it the easiest recommendation for the widest range of Tesla owners. So, which product is the overall winner? After comparing comfort, protection, fitment, appearance, durability, ease of use, and value, the Mikume seat cover set takes the crown as the best overall car seat solution for Tesla Model 3 owners. While the Arrivis wins for comfort, the Wexildra dominates pet protection, and the Aom Sasto delivers the most luxurious OM-style appearance. The Mikume provides the strongest all-around combination of customization, protection, style, safety compatibility, and long-term value. It simply checks the most boxes for the widest range of Tesla owners.